Oh, they're so much fun. They've started coming out of the cage, which is often quite crazy. I can't even begin to video it because I'm laughing too much. Their spatial awareness is poor. They've just heard the birds outside, so they're getting excited. There's definitely a pecking order. I've moved a few toys around in the cage to try and stop them pooing on each other. But they are such characters already. A week in, living together with them. The characters, there's definitely a pecking order. There's Lemon at the front on the left. He's definitely a bossy one. Likes to be in charge. And there's Steve, that's the blue one that's quite withdrawn. Lime and Marlin, they're the chatty ones and seem to be more happy to come and talk to me. I haven't yet been able to pick one up, but two of them did land on me. I think it was by default when they were flying around the room. And it's lovely to hear them chattering to each other. Come on boys, you can do it. Yay! See you next week. More progress.